next one, I will introduce you our analog anti-explosive walkie-talkie. Yes, you can see the most of the anti-explosive walkie-talkie is blue. You can see the bending radio like the Motorola anti-explosive walkie-talkie, like the Covision anti-explosive walkie-talkie. Their color is blue, right? You see this model also blue. Very beautiful. And this model it is our ET-880EX walkie-talkie. Yes, its channel numbers can reach to 16 channel number, and the frequency is UHF from 400 to 470 megahertz. Yes, and actually the weight of this model is reached to 285 grams, and the battery of this model is 2020 mAh. Very beautiful walkie-talkie, right? Okay, and when I touch this model, I can feel the material is very good and very suitable to touch this material. Yes, and this model output power can reach to 3 watts. You know, for the explosive blue walkie-talkie, the watt output power of it is not too big. Yes, and it's this model for the explosive blue standard. It is you can see here. It is IIB T4 GB. Yes, and the IIC T130 degree. Yes, and when you charging this model, the degree it is better. It is should be 3. The degree range is 4 degrees to 14 degrees. Yes. If you have any question, just type to us. Our battery also manufacture some accessory for the radio, like the battery charger antennas for the handheld walkie-talkie, and for the repeater we have the dual pixel coaxial cable and the gas vapor antenna. Yes, so welcome you to send out inquiries or come to our office to see the samples. Yes, our office in Guangzhou. Yes, do you know Guangzhou? It is have a very big exhibition, Canton Fair.